Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. So today I'm going to do a little something different using some primary element pigments. I saw a video by Michelle Galley, Grateful Creations. If you're unfamiliar with her, go check her out. She's an awesome channel. So we've been talking actually about doing a collaboration, and I said, well, let me play around with pigments. I forget what she's calling it, but it kind of like bleeds through, the primary elements bleed through the pearl pour. I just thought it was a really cool effect. I have actually done one in the past, way back, that I just used the pigments with the pearl recipe, but I just thought we'd revisit it and maybe we'll do a collab for you soon. But I thought I'd play around with it today. And so my pigments are mixed with the Bare 8300 paint base. So that's what I mix the pigments with, and then I put in a little Floetrol, a little of the Liquitex Basics Gloss Medium to get them very thin. I actually and also add water, so you can see they're very thin. Okay, so I'm going to go through the colors that I'm using. So the first color I have here is this one is Citrine Druzzi. Not sure if I'm going to be using all these colors, but I just mixed up a bunch to play around with. The next one I have here is Sea Dancer. Okay. Then the next one is Tropical Splash. Then I have some Tangerine Dream. Isn't that pretty? Okay, next I have Fennel Flowers. This one I think is just such a pretty color. All right, so I'm not sure which colors I'm going to have bleed through, but I'm just trying to figure that out. Then I have Shadow Moon, which is a pretty purpley amethyst. Okay, and the last one I have is Fragrant Thyme. Okay, so they're the primary elements that I'm using. And then I have two paints that I'm going to putting in here, and this is Blossom One Decor by Colourarte. I've used this many times in the past, just a pretty light pink. And I also have some Arteza Fairy Tale Blue, and this is like a color shifting blue purple. It's really pretty, pinky purple. Okay, I have two base paints. So I have the white base paint, which I actually have to add more water to this one, and I have a light gray. Again, my paint base is mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex Basic Pouring Medium, and water. So let's get all set up here. I have to add more water to my white. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And leave me a comment if you have any questions. I get back to you pretty quickly. Yeah. And just thanks for watching, and I hope you're all having a great day out there. Okay, here we go.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. To carry all that weight. Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. that I doubt that I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe in the light. Are you doing well? Do you feel fine? Don't need an answer, just need a sign. I'm feeling bad, I'm feeling good. Feeling like I never could. Wait for me, I'm almost there. Soon we're floating in the air. So let it go, just let it be. Don't you be you and I'll be me. That's what it took to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. you're weak.
All right, guys, well, that's this is pretty interesting. I think this came out gorgeous. I used cell activator like you do in a bloom technique, 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white paint, and that's what I swiped in there to give that cool effect. I think this is really aquatic looking and serene, and look how the gold and that orange color, which was the fennel flowers, that's coming up through that gray and through the white. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this is really cool. I'm going to try this again. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the dried result of this, and I'm really excited. This looks really pretty. If you can see in the light, you can see almost like the sparkle. But anyway, I think this came out really pretty, dried beautifully, and I'm excited to try this more and with different colors. But look at this, the white area where you can see like the primary elements coming through it. Just really cool. Be cool backgrounds. Just something different. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.